Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your NUBIA Red Magic 5S device. So how to clean your USB port on this device using only home remedies, only household items. So remember the one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. And now we are going to try to clean it. So if you have the cover, you need to get it out, you need to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand, then gently insert the one part of the brush into the connector and gently try to pry the dirt out. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.